Now, for number 3, this is a business combination which was accomplished without transferring any consideration. So, how do we compute for goodwill in cases like this? So, consideration transferred is zero, no? Dahil wala nga siyang ibinayad, no? And then, yung 1,000,008 na fair value ng net identifiable assets will be attributable wholly to the non-controlling interest. So total is 1,000,008 and then less fair value of net identifiable assets, 1,000,008 din. So wala tayong goodwill in this case. Okay, so nangyayari po talaga yan, no? Kapag tayong business combination was achieved without any transfer of consideration, so pwedeng mangyari na yung lahat ng fair value ng NIA is attributable to non-controlling interest.